pulses of electrodes implanted in the brain may improve memory in some very timely people, scientists reported Thursday in the most rigorous demonstration to date of how a similar approach to pacemaker could help reduce the symptoms of dementia, head and other conditions. The report is the result of decades of decodifying brain signals, helped over the past few years by large grants from the Department of Defense aimed at developing new treatments for people with traumatic brain injury, a wounded signature of wars of Iraq and Afghanistan. The research, led by a team at the University of Pennsylvania, has been published in the journal Current Biology. Previous attempts to stimulate human memory with implanted electrodes had produced mixed results. Some experiments seemed to sharpen memory, but others were confused. The new paper solves this confusion by demonstrating that timing of pacing is crucial. Zapping memory areas when they are malfunctioning improves brain coding of new information. But doing so when those areas are working well, as they do for day stretches in almost everyone, including those with deficits, harms the process. We all have good and bad days, when we are in the fog, or when we are in point, Michael Kahana, who headed the research team of Ymasciencia. We have found that the system pushes when it is in a low operating state can jump to a high-performance one. Researchers caution that implantation is a delicate procedure and that improvements reported cannot be widely applied. The study was for patients with epilepsy. Scientists still have a lot of work to do to determine if this approach has the same potential in people with other conditions, and if so, what is the best for its application. But in establishing the importance of the moment, the field seems to have taken a turn.